Hello guys, Eric Were here. Welcome to the Liversity YouTube channel. It's been a while since I made a video like this one. It's actually been like 3 months since my last video, and I have taken time to prepare a video like this one because I've been working on something great. I've actually been working on starting the Liversity website. It's called liversity.co.ke. Kindly check the links in the description. Now I will be sharing with you posts on a daily basis. As you know, apart from being a YouTuber and a podcaster and a life coach, I'm also a writer by profession, and I really enjoy writing. That's why I went deep and decided to start something that will be able to add value to your life in the form of articles. And so I've launched liversity.co.ke alongside this video. You will actually be the first one to read the first post on this amazing website, and I look forward to more fantastic things coming our way as we roll forward. In this video, I'm simply going to share with you how to start an online business for under $250. Jobs have become scarce in today's world. It is far easier to start a business than to worry about looking for a job, and that is true. It's a no-brainer. The easiest type of business you can start is an online business. Why? Because all you need to get started is a computer or a smartphone and a stable internet connection. That is why I usually share with many people to look into starting an online business, because it's far much easier to start as long as you know how to get it started. And if you have no idea how to get an online business started, that is why the Liversity YouTube channel is here, and that is why I've gone ahead and started a website in the name of liversity.co.ke, and I'm here personally to guide you through doing it. And that is why I'll be leaving a link in the description where you can be able to book an appointment. You can actually book a Zoom call with me, a one-on-one Zoom call, so that we can share which type of business model you want to start online, so that you can forget about your job. You can start something on the side, even if it means not leaving your job completely. At least you have something on the side to boost what you earn on your job, and that is the most important thing. You need to secure your own financial future, because jobs are not guaranteed. A boss can wake up anytime and decide to tell you to just take the highway, and where will you go if you don't have anything to hang on? So you need to start your own business, and the easiest type of business I usually recommend to people is an online business, because you only need a one-time investment of a laptop or a smartphone and a stable internet connection and the knowledge, the know-how, and you are good to go. The know-how, you don't need to worry about it, because the Liversity YouTube channel is here for that, just to inspire entrepreneurs and those who want to venture into the world of entrepreneurship, especially online entrepreneurship, on how to go about doing things. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you how to get started if you're starting your online business in less than $250. And the first step for you to get started with the $250 to start an online business is to ensure that you take care of your branding. Your brand identifies you to the outside world. It makes your business to stand out from the multitudes of similar businesses struggling for exposure. Proper branding is key to the success of any online business. To take care of your branding, visit a website called fiverr.com to get a professional logo designed for you for less than $10 to $25. If you have no idea how to use Fiverr, there is a link to a book that helped me to figure out how to use Fiverr, and I've put that link in the description. If you are reading this article on liversity.co.ke, you simply have the link there. You can click and be able to acquire that book. It will be able to guide you on how to use Fiverr to design a logo for your website, to design a logo for your YouTube channel, or any online business model you are planning to start. That will take you only $10 to $25 to get started. The second step, establish an online presence. You need to build your online presence. Most websites are hosted on different social media networks like Facebook and Twitter. While it isn't a bad idea to have social media as your only online hub, it will be far much better to have a business website where you can direct all your traffic to. A website gives you the power to divert all your traffic to one source, hence increasing your engagement online. I usually tell people that's far much better to have a website or a YouTube channel like the Liveversity channel, because you can be able to direct all your audience to one source. If you have different audiences on different social media networks like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, you have a single link where you can be able to direct them, and they can be able to watch, they can be able to read your articles and learn from you. That's why it's very important to create a website for your online business. If it's not a website, then create something like a YouTube channel so that you have a single source where you can direct all of your online traffic to for increased engagement. Use Wix.com to build a simple website for your online business. With your website up and running, you can sell and post useful content as many times as you wish. Building a website on Wix.com requires approximately $200 or less. And if you want to find out how to build a website on Wix.com, I've also left a link to a book that will be able to guide you on how to build your website online using Wix.com. There are other platforms like WordPress. For instance, the website liveversity.co.ke, which I'm launching today, I was able to build it with WordPress.com. You will also be able to get a link to a book that will help you to build your website via WordPress. Simply check out the post. If you are reading on liveversity.co.ke, click on that link and you'll be able to access the book. The third step, share valuable content. In the online business world, content is king. The better your content, the higher the level of engagement. Creating content is just the first step. Sharing the content with your audience is the second and most important step. Use Instagram.com to post valuable content to gain a credible following. The good thing about Instagram is that it is free to use. As we speak, Instagram is one of the leading social media networks for content creators to share content. Other free social media networks you can use to share valuable content with your audience online include Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, and much more. The more you can share your content online, the higher the probability of your success in whichever online business you are venturing into. If you want to learn how to establish a vibrant online presence on Instagram, I've also left a link to a book that will guide you on how to use Instagram to increase engagement on your website to ensure that your online business attracts as much audience as possible. The last step, or the fourth step, content design. As they say, first impressions matter a lot. Your content needs to be visually impressive to attract the masses you need. Use canva.com for all your content design work. Canva is free to use, fortunately. If you need more advanced features, you can always upgrade later on. And I have left a link to a book that will guide you on how to use Canva to design different things, be it on your website or on your YouTube channel. You can be able to design your logo using canva.com and much more. So simply check out that link and be able to utilize it in the description or under this video. At the same time, if you are reading this article on www.liveversity.co.ke, you have to simply click on that link and you'll be directed to a page where you can acquire that book and find out how you can be able to use Canva for your design work when it comes to your online business. In conclusion, the online world is buzzing with limitless opportunities for those who care to reach out. As long as you are willing to solve people's problems, there is an audience out there waiting to grab your solutions. There are gaps to be filled. There are inventions to be made. There are frontiers of knowledge that need to be expanded. All you need is a creative mind that is willing to innovate. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. All you need is a little bit of creativity, resourcefulness, and as little as $250 to get started. You also need some knowledge to get all the things together. The books I've shared with you in this video will be able to help you get started in setting up your online business and establishing a credible online presence. That's it for this video, guys. If you need any type of coaching, whether the general life coaching or coaching when it comes to starting a business, both online or the common brick and mortar business, feel free to send me an email on info@livevarsity.co.ke. That is info@livevarsity.co.ke. Simply check out the email in the description and be able to send me an email for a one-on-one engagement, whether through a Zoom call or Google meetings. I will be able to meet you one-on-one and we can be able to share more. You can simply share with me your story on what you intend to do or what your goals are and how I can come in to help you or give you a helping hand, be that mentor, be that advisor who can take you to the next level. So kindly feel free to shoot me an email and I'll for sure get back to you. And if you need me to share your story with our audience here at Livevarsity YouTube channel or livevarsity.co.ke, I will be able to do that and even tap in more help from the audience that utilizes our content on livevarsity.co.ke and the Livevarsity YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to the Livevarsity channel, kindly pause right there and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button and also to share this video with your friends and family. We need to keep the family growing. The aim for this year is to surpass over 50,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate you if you give me that push to hit the 50,000 mark in this year. May God bless you.